Hello, Lois and Edu. So, I'm your mentor, Dr. Mark Cruz. So, nandito kami ngayon, di ba? Kita mo naman, ang ganda-ganda ng view, di ba? We're with the elite leaders of Extreme 111. And sobrang na-enjoy namin yung time namin together. And I know na balang araw, magiging part din kayo ng very exclusive team na to. Okay? And one of the requirements, if I may say, is if you become a director. Okay? You become qualified na rin. Of course, may mga checklist tayo doon. Pero I know kayang-kaya nyo eh. Okay, yung pagdidirector actually, it's just a matter of strategizing. Okay? I know you're in good hands kasi mentors din yung mga nag-handle sa inyo. You have Mentor Alan and Coach Ana. Sobrang isa sa mga inaangaan kong couple talaga sa Extreme 111. I know you're in good hands. Listen to them, okay? If I were you, talagang ako na yung kakatok sa kanila para magpa-game plan. Okay? Magpa-goal set. Okay? Kasi you'll never go wrong. Okay? They've been through a lot. Alam na nila kung paano ma-hit yung director. Ruby na nga sila eh. Diba? So, more than that, syempre, don't hesitate din na makipag-cross line. Okay? I'm willing to share with you kung paano rin namin ginagawa yung business. And, of course, help you din kung paano natin ma-achieve yung mga bagay-bagay. So, I know masushoot nyo yung director's rank. Kayang-kaya natin to. Okay? 4 pay-ins lang yan. 4 to 6 pay-ins na properly placed. And then, there you are. Congratulations, our new directors of Extreme 111 and USANA Philippines. So with that, shoot na natin to and God bless you. Extreme.